Since I'm completing 2 years as the president of the Chamber of Commerce and handing over the baton to Ms. Pratima Dhond, uh, I would just like to first of all thank the membership for giving me such a wonderful opportunity to be with them, to understand their problems. I think the biggest benefit of being the president of the chamber is to understand the challenges of a business, however small or big it is, as to what challenges they face in terms of running the day-to-day operations. I think one fact came very clear, that unless you liaison continuously with government departments, it becomes very difficult for businesses to kind of execute their plans in a very seamless manner. And that is why the chamber has been there. So I got tremendous support from my managing committee members, from the chamber secretariat. During my time, I think we must have done more than 100 representations to the government, conducted more than 200 programs for the benefit of the chamber membership. And not only in one area, but diverse areas, right from, making representations to the government. Mr. Rohan Bhandari is here, who are treasurer, who displayed tremendous leadership in terms of a very important subject, where people face issues with taxation, whether it is GST, whether it is with direct taxes. But we got tremendous support from the government, right from the Honorable Chief Minister to the ministers, to the Industries Minister, Tourism Minister, TCP Minister. Everybody supported us, gave us a patient hearing. And then we had to sit very closely with the officers. So all that was a great experience in terms of, trying to see how much we can easen the process for industry. And of course, everybody has challenges every day in business. But I think in terms of policy advocacy, I think that was a great experience for me to learn what challenges does a small business go through. And mind you, about more than 70-80% of our members are MSMEs. So they are all medium and small scale enterprises. But I think through the help of the entire ecosystem, I think we have been able to try and meet the expectations of the membership, is what I would say.
खंयच्या गजालीचेर मेन फोकस अजून आसपाक जाय जाल्यार बरी डेव्हलपमेंट
फोकस म्हणटा तो 2-3 गजालींनी आसपा जाय. एक म्हणटा तो ईज ऑफ डुईंग बिझनेस. आनी पयर आमच्या गेस्ट स्पिकरान बरो शब्द वापरलो, तो म्हणल्यार ईज ऑफ डुईंग बिझनेस म्हणनाका, जॉय ऑफ डुईंग बिझनेस करप. आनी ते इजाचेर जॉय कशें करपाचें हाजेर चेंबराचो फोकस आसतलो. आनी दुसरो फोकस म्हणटा तो आतां आमची प्रेसिडेंट जी आसा, शी इज अ वुमन. And women empowerment is a huge opportunity for the country. आमचो माननीय प्रधानमंत्री म्हणटा, हांगा स्टेट लेवलीचेरूय जायत्यो स्किमी आयल्या. बट फ्रॉम क्रिएटींग एंटरप्रेनर्स इन वुमन, वॉट ऑल कॅन वी डू? म्हणजे तातूंत आमची वुमन्स कमिटी आसा, ते वेगळे वेगळे फोरम करता, दे ट्राय टू ऑर्गनायज कावन्सिलींग फॉर देम. जे आमचे वेगळे वेगळे फोरम्स आसा तांकां, एक्सेस टू फायनान्स हो एक दुसरो चॅलेंज आसा. जे धाकट्या धंद्याक एक्सेस टू फायनान्स बिकम्स अ बिग चॅलेंज. ते चेंबराचे वेरियस स्किम्स ज्यो सरकाराच्यो आसा, ते चेंबर स्टडी करून मेंबरशिपाक पावोवपाक होय प्रयत्न करता. म्हणटकच हे इतले ज्यो गोश्टी आसा न्हय, त्यो करीत जाल्यार धंद्याक आनिकूय म्हणजे प्रोत्साहन मेळूंक शकता. म्हणजे वी वॉन्ट मॅक्सिमम पीपल, लायक दॅट डे द गव्हर्मेंट, द इंडस्ट्रीज मिनिस्टर सेड, मेनी पीपल हॅव टू मूव फ्रॉम focus on getting employment to focus on giving employment. This should be, I think, the theme that the chamber should work on. And our role is to do, one is policy advocacy, secondly is get various schemes of the government in the minds of people. कित्याक लोकांक खुबदां खबर नासता. आनी हे स्टेट गव्हर्मेंटाचेच न्हय, देर आर लॉट्स ऑफ सेंट्रल गव्हर्मेंट स्किम्स. त्यो कश्यो चालीक लावपाक म्हाका दिसता हाजेर आमचो भर आसचो पडटा.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.